Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create this fun button here. We have the button that glow on the ground and the glow coming off from the button itself when we hover over it. And I will show you everything from scratch, step by step. The source code link is in the description below. You can check it out. Let's get to the tutorial. In my HTML, I already added my style.css. And over here, let's create button element. Button type hover on inside button element and add class name btn. And we are done here. Let's get to style css. In my style css, I already imported my favorite font family and I declared in body selector. And also I have pre-declared colors, bgs for background and the glow color is for glow colors. And let's change the background of the body. Background color will be PG. And I want to put my button as the center of the body. To do that, just say display flex, justify content, center, underline items, center. Also, I want to specify body height. Height width will be 70 VH. And now the button is at the center of the body. Let's add some styles to the button. Button font weight will be 700. It means bold. And the font size will be 1.5 rem, is about 24 pixels. And the padding 1 em from top and the bottom, and the 1.2 em from left and the right. Okay, I don't need the default border of the button. Let's remove it. Border now. And create custom border 3px solid, and the border color will be blue color. Okay, I don't need background color, so background color transparent. Let's give the color of the button. Color will be the same with the border color. And the border radius is 10 pixels good. And the cursor should be pointer to indicate that the button is clickable. So cursor pointer. Okay, now create the reflection. To create the reflection, we don't need further element to add. Instead, we're going to use the before selector, btn, before selector, and the content, I leave it as a blank, and I want to add position absolute. And should I give position relative and in the parent element always. Otherwise, the child will be out of the parent. So always add position relative to parents and the position absolute for childs. And the top 300%, left 0, width 100, and height 100. So the background color will be the same with the glow color. Okay, over here. And as the reflection is 300% far from the original position. So always the reflection should be minimal in opacity. So to reduce the opacity 0.2. And let's blur the reflection, filter, blur. 1am is good. To 1am. Now it's not same the reflection. So we should change the perspective of the reflection. To change the perspective, transform perspective 1am and rotate in horizontally. Rotate. Yes, horizontally by 14 degrees. And I want to reduce the scale only in vertical. One is the horizontal, 0.35 is vertical. Now it seems good. The only thing left is adding hover effects. To add the hover effect on the button, you're gonna use button hover. And I want to specify the color black and the background color blue color. Okay, these are some box shadow. Box shadow 0, 0. We don't need any offset horizontal and vertically. So we leave it as 0, 0 and the amount of blurriness 3M. Okay, the amount of blurriness 3M, 0.5 the spread of blurriness or the spread of shadow. And this gives the color of shadow a big glow. It's nice. Okay, these are some transition on the button. Transition or 0.3 seconds is good. Is out. Alright, it's nice. Okay, let's add some over effect for the before selector. To add it, just type before selector. Before the selector, just type over. And the only thing we're gonna do is increasing the opacity. To increase the opacity 7. Okay, let's add a similar transition for the before selector. It's good. Alright, we are done over here. And I hope I have explained everything as much as possible. To summarize the video, just create the button element at very beginning and add some styles to the button and create the reflection on the ground by using before selector. And don't forget to add position relative to the button while you're adding the position absolute for the before selector. And finally add the glow style by using box shadow when you over it. And this is all about. Don't hesitate to ask me any question at any time. Thank you very much. This is Programming Insider. See you soon.